Troubleshooting common Windows 10 and 11 problems. Tip number 3. System Restore Point is an amazing feature on Windows, which lets the user save the state of the PC that can be restored at a later point when the user is facing an issue. To create a restore point, follow the steps. Type Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and select the top result to create a System Restore Point. Click on the drive you want to save the state of and select Configure. Select the Turn on System Protection button. Set the max usage slider as you prefer. This slider will allocate the maximum disk space for system protection. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Now click on Create to start the process of creating a restore point. Describe the save point you are creating for future reference, select Create and it will create the save point. And to restore the system point, click on System Restore from the same window. Click on Next and choose the system point you want to restore. Now you can click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process.